Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to use Claude AI within VS Code. In 2026, you don't actually install a standalone Claude software for your desktop. Instead, you use specialized extensions that bridge the gap between your editor and Anthropic's models. So let's get right into the 3 best setups. First, you should use Klein, formerly known as Claude Dev, if you want the most autonomous coding experience available. To get started, head to your Extensions view, Ctrl+Shift+X, search for Klein, and hit Install. You will need an Anthropic API key from anthropic.com to power the engine. In 2026, Klein is the top choice for developers because it doesn't just suggest lines of code, it can actually read your files, create new ones, run terminal commands, and fix complex bugs entirely on its own using Claude 3.5 or 4. Next, you can try Code by SourceGraph if you want a more user-friendly all-in-one experience. Just search for Code AI in the VS Code Marketplace and sign in with your GitHub or Google account. The standout feature here is the model selector in the chat sidebar, which lets you easily switch between Claude 3.5 Sonnet or the high-reasoning Claude 3 Opus depending on your task. Code is particularly great for beginners because it offers a generous free tier that doesn't require you to buy separate API keys to get started. Then, you should check your current tools if you are already a GitHub Copilot subscriber. In 2026, you are no longer locked into a single model family. You can open your Copilot chat panel, look for the model drop-down menu at the bottom of the window, and select Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This is a massive win for productivity because it gives you Claude's superior logical reasoning at no extra cost if you are already paying for the Copilot subscription. Finally, you might want to consider the Cursor alternative, which is the Pro Move for 2026. Cursor is a fork of VS Code, meaning it looks and feels exactly like